Union Arena Chainsaw Man by the single box random serial number 4. We've got our demons. We have a die asking for 7. I love the number 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and right there is 7 times with 7 pips. Pip, pip, hooray! Here's our order. Oh, you straight up called that one, Akiyu. You did straight up call it. Asking you shall receive, I suppose? For a while. Here comes the printings. Paper. Alright, this one's staring at us right here, so we're gonna go for this one. Actually, all of these got a lot closer because I didn't put the helmet back as far as I did before. Okay, good luck, everybody. Friday's the last day for TCU this week? Yes. It'll be on Friday. Alright, we're gonna start with our box stopper. I guess we'll move this over here, actually. There we go. Good luck on the box stopper. Okay, let's not swap hands all of a sudden on myself there. It's always so hard opening these because of the single card. You gotta be careful. There we go. We got the good luck wishings. Come on, show me an SR. We've only seen the commons so far. Yeah. Oh, shoot, we did actually... Whoa. That's a box topper? They're just sending out box toppers with the... Look at the texture. Look at the texture. Okay, now that I know that these are what the friggin' box toppers look like, that's hype. That's sick, man. Makima, 24 in the set. That is number 4. That is going out to Abraham. Right away with the box topper hit. Now for the rest. There's Resit. Number 0 in the rare, and I still want to say it's Kobanai. I don't think I'm saying that right. That's what I remember it being. That's what I remember it being. Is that the 3? Or what do you mean, Akiyu? No, the box topper, it's their own cards. They're their own cards. It's separate from the set. Denji on the number 6, and oh, SR Denji, number 8. Nice hit there from Mark the Shark with the Denji. Again, with the pre-release prices right now, man, you hit one of these, you're gonna just about break even. I'm curious to see how that changes or where it goes after release, but that is where it is right now. There's Power on the number 0, and right behind Makima on the number 2 for the rare. There's Beam. Just him screaming Beam. Sounded like he was screaming Bean. Now we got Power on the 0. And Makima, hey, that was a deja vu for sure on the 2. Is that worth anything? Most of the SRs, they go for about 20. As of right now. Most of the SRs as of right now go for about 20. Oh wait, are you talking about the Makima? I actually don't know what the box toppers go for. I haven't seen the I haven't seen them on any of the market pages I was looking at. Now we got Denji on the number 1. And Chainsaw Man with the the censored blood being turned green. That is number 8 on the SR, going out to Mark the Shark with the SR. Box topper, yeah, I don't recall seeing the prices on the box topper. The box toppers. I didn't know what they looked like yet, so I had it checked. Power! She's got her ideas. She's got her glasses on. Denji, also getting ideas. Number 1 on the rare, and there is the Reze movie poster on the action point. This one's the number 2 going out to Higa with the action point. We haven't seen any of the crazy action points yet. If I remember right, the crazier ones are like the first 5 in the set, like 1 through 5. As if I'm remembering correctly. I could be not remembering right. Kashibe. There's the Angel Devil. And that is 0 on the rare. And there's Chainsaw Man on the rare. Number 7. That's, I love the artwork on that one. That rare. Friggin' sick, yo. There's Denji. Oh, I just realized this is the scene where he's polishing the bowling ball. Denji, number 7. And there is Bomb Devil. Also on a number 7. SR the Bomb Devil. Bomb Devil going out to Ararara. Now, this one looks like it's gonna have something in it. This one gonna have something. Look at that. We haven't seen that before. Whatever's back there. We got 0 on the rare. And oh, yeah, we've not seen this action point before. It's one of the character action points. AP07 for Ararara. We're getting Miss Smokes a lot. Miss uses a cigarette as a straw. I think that's our first time seeing a character action point, right? One that looks like that. I guess, no, we've had the Denji ones. Never mind. Never mind. There's Makima on the 0. And Bomb Devil on the number 6 for the rare. Favorite side of Chainsaw Man is when they use a chainsaw. I like Chainsaw Man when the man is chainsaw. That is favorite part. There's Beam. Pochita! So cute. Number 7 for the rare. And there's Miss Smokes a lot. Funny enough, I imagine they, like, if this product wasn't censored, she'd probably be shown with a cigarette pretty often. But it's 9+, so they're gonna get rid of all that. And there's Amino on the SR. Again, that one was the number 7, right? Is what I said? No, this one's number 6, pardon me. Number 6, that one's going out to CLZ Higa. Notice this box is a little picky about how the pack opens. There's Chainsaw Man on the number 7. Oh boy, what's going on here? Oh, damn. Who's the lucky son of a gun getting Reze on the alt art? 28. Mark the Shark. My goodness. That's a sick one. That is really cool. She got the whole movie named after her. She got the whole movie. Let's put that right here. We got 4 packs. Crazy. Cards all look so good. I got Reze on the 0. And there's Kobanai. I can't see what that emoji looks like. On my screen it says face, red, droopy eyes. Is that the one where it's like pulling on your face? I swear, whoever at YouTube named the emojis, I hope is no longer working in that department. Denji on the number 6. And there's Makima on the SR. This one is number 4 for the SR. That one's going out to Abraham. Oh, there you go. You can now see the SR versus the box topper. I imagine the box topper is going to go for more if the base set card, like, this is harder to hit than this. And if this is about 20 bucks, I imagine the box topper is going for more. Mrs. Hammer's looking for IQ. There's Makima, 0, and Bomb Devil, or releasing a bomb on the number 6. Last pack open for some LPM. I want to see another alt. We had 2 boxes that had 2 alt arts. Come on. Show me some juice. Pochita. On the number 7. Oh, shoot. That's awesome. And then on the number 1, Power. Mark the Shark with the Power SR. Love the picture they used for Power, too. Really big fan of that. Samurai Jack when he calls a sworn enemy. Oh god, it's been so long since I've seen Samurai Jack. I was too young to remember anything when I was watching that. Here's our recap. We got the action point, Hamino, on the number 7. We got the Reze poster, number 2. Denji kicking off our SRs. We got 8, 7, 8, 4, 6, and 1. We have the box topper with the beautiful alt art treatment on it. I said SR. Does the back of the pack, or... Oh, I don't know where the box topper pack is, but... I'm trying to remember if there was a star, because that is a parallel. That's just sick, man. Number 4. And Reze on the alt art. That is a cool one. Oh my gosh, the foiling in her eyes there. That's crazy, bruh. That's crazy. Folks, that was Union Arena Chainsaw Man by the Single Box Random Serial number 4. Every box. I've been having so much fun with us doing this, man. Thank y'all so much.